So here's this litter, Coda's first litter. Hi guys! What you doing? Huh? There's Ani. There's Jenny. Oh! Draco's barking at me. Hey Draco. And there's Harry. Hi guys. Hi Jenny. Oh, Draco, what's up, Draco? Huh? You keep running. So here they are in their pen in the kitchen. Enjoying the day. They have their artificial grass stuff. They're doing well. Draco.
What's up, dude?
So they're growing up fast. They were 5 weeks on Tuesday. Moving quick on me. Here's their mom, Coda. She wants to be in and play with them. She's pretty much weaned them already, but they're very well trained and on the pad already. As you can see, there goes Harry going potty or something.